first wash ever by hand. So that's gonna be fun and long. Now, the only products that I'm using is your average household products. Bucket, bottle of soap, Armor All products. So Armor All doesn't pay me to do this. So anyways, this is the only brand that I can rely on. So we're gonna see how it goes. Hold on. Okay, so a couple weeks ago I bought me a 2007 GT Premium. It is manual shift. It is my favorite color. It was relatively cheap because my brother sold it to me. So shout out to you. What are my plans for this channel? One, I plan to take as much support as possible from obviously the Mustang Nation and many viewers on ideas on how to fix my Mustang, obviously with a low budget, because I already work a full-time job. I am a dad and a husband, so kind of busy. So everything that I'm going to be doing right now with this Mustang is going to be to get it back into its normal stage. So basically, just like when it came out of the dealership, all stock. And once I finish that, with the support from the viewers and maybe close friends at work or anything like that, I plan on making changes in the near future. So that's pretty much what this channel is going to be about. I might throw in a couple extra things in there, like anything that has to do with maybe my family, or as you can see, I have two other vehicles. I have a 2005 Honda CR-V, that's my work car, and my wife has a 2003 Ford Explorer Sport Track. So if you have any of those vehicles, I will be happy to explain how to get several things fixed with the minimal amount of resource I have, which is the tools that I have in the back of this car and that cargo trailer and a little tool shed I have sit halfway down my my turf. Other than that, if I haven't presented myself, my name is Luis, and a lot of people might be asking, why did I name my channel two different names? So why did I name my car Potro Azul, in English being what was it?
Cold blue.
Blue Colt or Colt Blue. Colts and Mustangs don't have anything in common, but I figured it was fancy. So why? Because this is technically a bilingual channel. It's not just all English. A majority will be, but yeah, you don't be surprised if I throw a little bit of Spanish in there. So yeah. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this content, and feel free to leave any comments on below. Give me ideas, and I'll be happy to answer them. Hit the like button, and what's the little bell thingy they got going on. YouTube's so notorious about that, so hit the bell to get updates, and I will do my best to at least get one video a week. Like I said, I'm pretty busy, so it's gonna be kind of hard, but at least a video or two a month maybe might be my main thing right now. There is Plasti Dip. I don't know who the hell put that in there, but that's gonna go away because I do not like Plasti Dip. Nothing bad about it, it's just not my typical kind of thing. And of course my brother, who was the old owner of this car, did this. So he gave it a small ding. He thought it was a pro. Try to back out of his parking spot, and did I guess a wide open turn and just grazed the fender. So that's going to be a challenging fix. Other than that, I'm not going to do anything to the engine. What I will show you is another of the things that I'm going to be fixing, that I'm going to attempt to fix, is these seats. I want to keep them still. The only problem is, like I said, my brothers, they made some mistakes in here. The seat will not go back or forward. It does recline, so that's the good thing for people to get in the back, but it will not scoot forward or come back. The same thing with the other one. This one got jammed by the bar underneath the seat. That one is this electrical switch, which is like $100 fix. Yeah, I had to put seat covers on because well, the seats aren't really bad, but they could need a little stitching. And the shifter is also going to be changed at sometime in the near future, because that one wiggles a lot and I can't get it to stop. So back seats are a-okay, nothing wrong there. Maybe some of you viewers are going to be asking, out of all the year model Mustangs, why did I buy a 2007 GT Mustang instead of, you know, something a little more flashier, one that doesn't need a lot of work on, or maybe look like your typical S550s? Well, this was one of the very first cars that I test drove at a dealership in North Carolina, which is where I used to live at. I drove it. I fell in love with it completely. I love the retro style of the interior. I really liked what Ford was going with this car, even though, yeah, it's a little bumpy. I mean, it's not every Mustang is gonna ride smoothly, really. I get that out of your mind. So I got this Mustang because it spoke out to me. It's the very first Mustang I drove. I was very, very crazy about it. This was definitely my calling. That's the reason why I got it, and I feel really proud of it. It's like I said, it needs some work, and I will definitely put into it as much as I can, because I really want to go to car shows with my family, take them out. You got events like Mustang Week somewhere around September, I think. That would be an excellent place to go. Take my wife out to the beach, my son, take the car out, show it off. So it's one of the reasons why another of the reasons why I got the car, because I see how the Mustang Nation is. It's very unique to me, and it speaks family. So hopefully here pretty soon you will be witnessing some of the changes. What I do plan on doing first is fixing the seats. One of them, I have no choice but to order the actual switch that makes the seat go scoot forward and back. But this one, I'm gonna try to see if I can do hands-on, because it's just a simple bar. You know, the freaking bar, you just click up underneath it and then it scoots up and back. My brother, he stepped on it, snapped it off, so I'm hoping it's not a hard fix. So keep looking for that on the next video. But either way, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please excuse my whole speech, because this is my first time making a video. So see you guys soon, and take care.